back to another video. I have a vlog today. I'm gonna be at home, chilling, cleaning, doing all the life admin that I really need to do. I don't wanna jinx myself, but I feel like today is gonna be finally the day that I have a clear out in my bedroom, get rid of all the shit in my wardrobes and my drawers. I am just about to tuck into a delicious M&S pastry that you basically bake in the oven and then like have it at home, but they also make them in like their pastry section. Also tasked with tackling all of these dishes, like honestly. We actually had a little glass of wine and some crisps and a nice meal last night, but it got too late and I was just like, let's go to bed, I can't be arsed doing all the dishes. So I'm gonna do all of these as well. I need to clean the bathroom, so that's gonna be fun. Looking forward to that for me. But I thought before that I would just like enjoy my pastry, watch some morning TV because I absolutely love that stuff, and just chill. I've already had a coffee this morning because I actually met my friend. We went to Apple Blue in Balham, which is really nice. I love that little place. They do like the best food, honestly. We've been before. I think I vlogged it actually, me and Matt have been. And they do like all different kind of breakfast muffins, pastries, all of those bits. But they also do like main meal sort of thing. Matt had like a lamb shawarma flatbread. You know, they do kind of a few Mediterranean dishes, which is really nice. So would highly recommend if you are around the Balham area. I'm gonna sit and enjoy this, and then I will catch up with you in a little bit when I start my cleaning and housework. I probably need to do some loads of washing as well. It's a very fun Saturday. This is what it's like to be in your 30s. It's literally everything I've dreamed of. And I don't think I was even different. Like in my 20s, I definitely went out drinking a lot more and like day drinking, pubs and all of that stuff. But I feel like part of me always craved this life. And now I'm like living it. It's fantastic. So if you're in your 20s and you're dreading turning 30, don't. It's the best. This is literally the best time of my life. Like 100%. My favorite time I've ever been alive.
Not always being as at home. Well, kind of my childhood.
It's a bit later now. I think you've just seen me cleaning the kitchen. Looks very sparkling clean now. These are out here because we had a bit of an issue in this cupboard with, I don't even want to tell you because it's disgusting, but we found some little termites. It's actually gross. I sprayed the cupboard with bleach. This was a few days ago. Sprayed it with bleach and then I've just kind of left it shut, and I'm not opening it again until we move out of here, basically, or until I can bear to actually look in there and figure it out. They're like tiny little like bugs. Apparently they're not harmful to people, but I think it could be to do with like the windows and like dampy bits in here. So yeah, that's completely vile, and I won't be opening that cupboard again. I've checked, they're not anywhere else in the flat at all, like none of the other cupboards or anything. So yeah, anyway, now that I've just made myself feel physically sick talking about that, I'm going to make myself a little tuna sandwich for lunch because I love my tuna. I have some red onion, and yeah, I thought it would just be yummy now that I've done a lot of cleaning. I also still need to do the bathroom and the bedroom and have my little wardrobe clear out. But as the day is getting later and later, I'm kind of like, am I going to get round to the wardrobe today? I don't know. It's like 2 o'clock. Is it 2 o'clock? Let me just check. It's 2:10. So yeah, I'm gonna make some lunch and sit and eat it, watch some things. Jamie Page has just uploaded a YouTube video of doing her makeup routine, and she said this is like her favorite makeup ever. So I thought, let me pause it, I'll make some lunch and then I'll sit and watch it. So that'll be nice. Okay, hi. I don't know if you can properly see me, but I hope so. I have my sandwich here. I added red onion, lemon juice, and some herbs because it tastes delicious like that. And I'm about to give a little taste test. Obviously, I have a packet of my favourite crisps, Flame Girls Take McCoy's here. These are so yummy. I feel like I've talked about these lately in a lot of my vlogs, but they're so good. I'm obviously going to be adding them into my sandwich as soon as I stop filming because they just add so much crunch. They're just so yummy. Let me know in the comments if you're from a country that has crisps in their sandwich or not. Although, I'm now thinking that's maybe not even country specific because I'm sure there's a lot of people in the UK that don't have their sandwiches with crisps in them, but it makes it nice and crunchy. So let me just try it without first. It's so good. It gives like a little bit of tang having the lemon juice in there because it's obviously quite fatty with the mayo. I also really want one of Molly Baz's cookbook because I feel like she does an amazing, she's got like very similar favourites to me, I think. She loves the Caesar salad, she loves tuna melt, she even called her dog tuna. I feel like we've got a lot of similarities in the food department, so I want to get her cookbook because I feel like we would enjoy the same things. Anyway, I'm gonna go and eat this now and I will chat to you in a little bit. It's a bit later now. I've just been cleaning the bathroom. It was quite gross. I did like a proper deep clean of it all. And it's now sparkling, which feels good. One thing, I didn't make any sort of progress on my bedroom, which is kind of bad. I think that light bulb needs replaced. The one that was giving me ghost vibes the other night is definitely needing replaced now. That's good. It's probably just a light bulb issue. Yeah, so I have just finished the bathroom. I didn't make any progress on my bedroom. I didn't clear out my wardrobes. I didn't do my chest of drawers, and I'm not going to do it this weekend. I can't be bothered. I need to enjoy my weekends and relax a little bit. Between like working full time, being in the office 4 days a week, and making YouTube videos, which I love. That's a hobby actually. I have no time and I'm exhausted all the time. So anyway, I'm going to enjoy the rest of my Saturday night. I'm going to pour myself a little glass of wine. Actually, I'll do that on camera with you right now. This is the wine I have left over from last night. It's a Pinot Noir and it actually is a red, as you can see by the colour, but it can be kept chilled and it's actually really, really nice. I'm a big fan. It's a really light, easy to drink, probably too easy to drink, red. Let me just show you some of these little treats that I have. I got these in Sainsbury's the other day and I was like, you know when you see these little party pieces and you're like, I really want to get them, but I have no party coming up and no one to feed them to. So I just thought, fuck it, I'm gonna get them for myself because they're delicious. These are incredible. I've had a few of these. I just bung them in the air fryer and they're delish. And then I also got little sausage rolls. So literally what I've been doing is like one mature cheddar spinach puff and then one of these little sausage rolls, a bit of ketchup, and they're delicious. But for now, I'm actually gonna have my wine with some of the fancy Torres black truffle crisps because I'm being basic tonight. I'm not gonna put them in a bowl because it's just me. But I'm gonna go now and ring my mum on FaceTime, have a little FaceTime with her, and then get stuck into Married at First Sight. And then after that, I'm gonna make dinner, which of course I will show you. I'll be back for dinner. The light is a little bit rubbish at the minute, so you've probably seen a little glare on my glasses, but dinner is ready. I'm just watching Married at First Sight. I have it paused. It's the dinner party and it's so eventful. There's so much going on. I'm absolutely obsessed. I'm going to enjoy this dinner now. Let me just show you what I have. So we have one of those caramelised onion tarts that I got from Waitrose literally I think a week ago now, but it's fine to eat. It's the cheddar with like caramelised onion and all those bits. A bit of couscous from last night's dinner left over, an avocado that is probably like past it, and then some salad. And I had my glass of wine. I didn't drink this whole bottle of wine, by the way. I was showing my mum the bottle on Instagram not on, oh my God, maybe I am drunk, on FaceTime, not on Instagram. But I was just showing her the bottle and I just had like, I think there was like this much left. So I just had a little glass. So I'm just going to go and enjoy this delicious meal now. And I will chat to you guys later. It's quite late now. It's like 10 o'clock almost. I've been watching TV. I've just been chilling. Just had such a nice night. I love an evening in to myself sometimes. Like, you know, when you just really need it after a really busy week of work and it's like, I just need to decompress. After COVID, really socialising again and like being around people all week, it takes it out of me a lot. Anyway, I feel like I got a lot done, even though I didn't accomplish the one thing that I've been literally meaning to do for about 6 months, which is clear out my wardrobes. But that can happen another time. At least the rest of the flat is clean and tidy. That's another thing working from home. It's just that extra time when you're at home and you're not exhausted by the commute, like back and forwards, to like put a load of washing on or like stay on top of housework. I think it's just so much easier when you're at home more. But anyway, that's me complaining again. I had big plans. I was gonna like do my skincare with you guys. I was gonna like have a shower tonight, and just like be a bit more productive, but the night has kind of run away with me. It is like almost 10 o'clock and I'm feeling quite sleepy. I know this is not a late bedtime for most people on a Saturday night, but I'm just feeling tired tonight. So I think I'm gonna just like watch a little bit more of TV, finish doing my video and have a bit of an early night. I don't really have many plans tomorrow, so I'm probably gonna just take it easy. I don't think I'm gonna vlog tomorrow or like film anything, just because I kind of want to just chill tomorrow. So yeah, anyway, I am gonna end this video here. Thank you so much for watching and commenting and subscribing. It means so much. I'm literally getting so much happiness out of my YouTube channel and like chatting away in the comments and stuff. So thank you so much for subscribing. And if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. It's a long one. Well, no, I don't think it is a long one, but anyway, not many people make it to the end of the video. So anyway, I will see you soon for another video. Bye.